Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl named Anna. Anna loved colors. Her house was full of colorful paintings, and her clothes were bright and cheerful. But her favorite color was red. One day, while walking to the market, Anna saw a beautiful red umbrella in a shop window. It was the brightest red she had ever seen. She wanted it so much, but she didn't have enough money. So, she decided to save her money. Every day after school, Anna helped her mother in the garden. She watered the plants, picked vegetables, and sold them at the market. Slowly, she saved enough money to buy the red umbrella. Finally, the day came. Anna went to the shop with her savings. She bought the red umbrella and felt very happy. She carried it everywhere she went, even when it was sunny. One afternoon, dark clouds filled the sky. It started to rain heavily. People ran to find shelter, but Anna smiled and opened her red umbrella. She walked home, dry and happy. On her way, she saw an old woman standing in the rain. The old woman had no umbrella and was getting very wet. Anna felt sorry for her. She walked over and shared her red umbrella. "Thank you, dear," said the old woman. "You are very kind." Anna smiled and said, "You're welcome." From that day on, Anna shared her umbrella whenever it rained. Her kindness made everyone happy, and soon the whole village knew about the little girl with the big heart and the red umbrella. And so, Anna learned that sharing made her even happier than having her favorite red umbrella.